Heidi-ho, all you wonderful people out there. How you all doing today? Good, I hope. So today I'm going to do a 2-bob. I haven't done one of these for a while. 1961, 2 shillings. The good old UK. First of all, same old, same old. Nothing changes there, does it? I'm going to punch a hole in it. How's everybody doing? How you doing, Steve? Gary? Bear? Sarah? Still on here. Let's go over to Big Bertha. And punch a hole in it. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for hitting that button for me. If you haven't hit the button, why haven't you hit the button? Come on. I need to know. Hit the like button as well if you want. If you don't want, then that's okay. All right. Right, let's just clean this little bit out here with the one and only Christy Burr. A bit cloudier today. It's about +3, +4. It's not cold at all. All the snow's gone. I'm thinking of changing my tyres back to summer tyres. I don't think we're going to have any more snow. So if I did, as soon as I did that, it would chuck it down probably. So, right. And today is a special day for me. I'm trying for the 100th bloody time to give up the fags. So this is day 2. Just hope I can do it. It's so difficult though. Right, what am I doing? Thank God I smoked all my life, so is it worth stopping, you know? But I'd like to. The thing is, I do like smoking. I enjoy it. It's got bloody expensive now, you know. When I was in England, that's because I rolled my own cigarettes, yeah. That's expensive. It's cheaper in Finland. But a packet of Benson and Hedges in England is now over £19. I don't know how much cigarettes cost in the States. Pack of 20 Benson Hedges, over £19. That's crazy. The 30 grams of Golden Virginia is about, it's over £30. But obviously that lasts you about 4 or 5 days. But if you smoke, you know, 20 fags a day, 20 Benson Hedges, I mean, it's 20 quid a day. That's 140 quid a bloody week. Jesus wept. So I'm going to give it a serious go this time. So this is day 2 without a cigarette, and no problem. I can give up easy for a week or 2 weeks, or even 3 weeks. That ain't the problem. And then one of the problems is I go back to the market in what, May, something like that, and I'll start again. And I'm going to try to do it this time. Right, I'm going to go sunny side up on the ring on this side. So this goes face down. A bit wet. Is it oil? Hopefully it's oil. Good level. We'll go over to okie dokie. I just want to clean up the edge, make sure it's clean. Looking good. Let's get a bit more love again. You're looking for a custom ring? I'll happily make you one. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. I can adjust the sizes for you up or down. You can even send me your own coins. Okie dokie. Let's get a fresh bit of kitchen roll and head over to Spike. There he is. Kitchen roll just protects the inside of the coin ring. You don't lose the detail. Some guys use a plastic bag, or you know. It's getting a bit hard. Show a bit more love, I suppose. This is called annealing. There's a little red button, bottom right hand corner of the video you're watching. Whatever you do, don't hit that little red button. Don't hit it. For God's sake, don't hit it. You never know. Yeah. Whoops, daisy. Yeah, there's a little button there. Do not touch that on your screen, whatever you do. Right. Let's go over to the bottom end of Spike. And we want to straighten up them. Oh, wait a minute. I've got a bit more to do on that, haven't I? I feel a bit weird today. I don't know why. I think I even sound a bit different today. Is it really me here? Right, how's that looking? Yeah, that's pretty good. Let's show it a bit more love again. Right, let's cool that down a bit. It's still red hot. Right, let's all I want to do now, the bow's out of it. I just want to, it's a bit cone shaped at the moment. I just want to get them all straight. Yeah, getting there slowly. See, the walls are nice and straight now. It's magic. Hey, it's magic. Nearly there. That's pretty sexy. Right, back at Dave the Dremel. Stick in Kate Bush. And this is just like put zero steel on the end of this thing. Just gets the fire scale off, cleans it up a bit. There you go. Now I call this the Edwin look. I did a bit more there, I must have missed a bit. Yeah, there you go, it's better. 1961, 2 shilling coin ring. Now this is the Edwin look. It's not too shiny. It's not too dull. It's just right in my eyes. But if you want this highly polished, I can highly polish it for you. What size we got? We have got a size. Where's my... Can't find my... Let's use the Yankee Doodle one. The trouble on this, you can't see jack. This is a size 10 3/4. That's US size. So thanks for watching. Hope you're all having a great day, and I'll catch you tomorrow. So bye bye.